Meaning of horror-stricken.
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 Horror-stricken. The term horror-stricken refers to a state of extreme fear or terror. When someone is horror-stricken, they are completely overwhelmed by a feeling of dread and horror. This can cause physical symptoms such as trembling, sweating, or shaking. The person's mind may be filled with terrifying thoughts and images, and they may struggle to process their emotions. Ultimately, being horror-stricken is an incredibly distressing experience that can leave a lasting impact on the individual. It is a visceral reminder of the power of fear and the importance of confronting it.